Alright, so we have another ECU on the bench here. This one is also a um, customer attempted repair job that didn't work out for them. You see they've already opened the case for me, which is great because these are annoying to open. Luckily this one you can't really damage it too much opening it usually, but anyway, it was sent in for misfire. So likely one of the coil drivers has gone bad, and I opened it up and I took a look right before I started this video, and I can see they replaced the driver, this driver here. Okay, so I'm gonna let you guys look at it under the microscope like I did, and I want to see if you can find the problem here. Because they have the exact same problem as when they first started, which is a misfire on whichever cylinder that driver controls. Let's just pretend it's cylinder 2. Okay, and they replace the driver and they still have the issue. All right, so do you give up? The problem is that when they were putting this driver on, they lost the gate resistor. You see that? There's no gate resistor there. If we look at this one, we'll see the gate resistor. Look at this one, we see the gate resistor. We look at this one, we see the gate resistor. So likely their only issue after they replaced that driver is that they lost the gate resistor and they did not notice because it's so small. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that fixed up, and then I'm gonna get the unit sealed back. I'm gonna replace this driver with one of mine because I know a lot of these drivers are counterfeit, and I know for a fact that when I buy them, from official distributors of whichever company I'm buying. I think I usually all of mine are on semi, but yeah, this almost customer almost had this one, but that's how it goes sometimes. Anyway, hopefully we'll have some good videos coming up soon. Uh, I was trying to think of some of the stuff I had coming up that I wanted to do, but I don't want to get y'all guys hopes up. Sometimes I get busy and I don't have time to do it. So anyway, I guess I will catch you on the next video.